gonna make a tofu salad again, you guys. I boil the tofu about 2-3 minutes, and after that I take it out. That I drain the water and I saute a little bit and make it dry. I'm gonna add some little bit. I like lemongrass. This one is not that nice. I cut them off. Cut small, okay? Sometimes my mom, she likes to deep fry the lemongrass, but I don't like it. I like it fresh like this more better. Red onion, green onion, cilantro, red onion, slice like this. Make it nice, and I gonna clean the color out because you know this thing have a lot of red color. Okay, I'm gonna leave, and I take only leaf like this, you know. Sometimes you have to cut with the knife, okay, but I like to take the leaf like this, you know, pin, take out like this. Okay, that's all the ingredient I'm gonna add to the tofu salad. I drain all the water out. See, when you do like this, it's gonna be like chicken, you know, when you cook like chicken salad, similar like that. This is my brother-in-law recipes. He loves to because he eat vegetarian, right? He don't eat meat, anything. He just eat the vegetable. Add some lemongrass. Add and break a little bit, okay? Because you know the lemongrass kind of hard, little bit hard, you know. And I kind of break out like this. And after that, I'm gonna add some lime juice. I'm gonna add a tablespoon first. Like this, okay? This one you don't need a lot of stuff. Similar like I'm gonna add a little salt and fish sauce. Okay, about a tablespoon of this chili powder. About a tablespoon. I don't measure anything, okay, but I just add a little bit salt. Good. A tablespoon of this. I'm gonna add some red onion, green onion, cilantro, and mix a little, okay? See, when you add the rice powder, and the color a little bit change because a little bit darker. Okay. That's it, yummy, okay? If you like, you don't like to eat meat, anything like that, and you make this for your lunch or dinner, it's really easy and quickly, okay? The Lao style. Let me taste again. So, number one. ม่นลาบโทฟูข่อยเด้อพี่น้องแซ่บหลาย and I add some cilantro around no not I gonna add some meat around จะแซ่บบ่พี่น้อง tofu salad is done for today. If you like to try some at home, please do. Very easy and quickly, and it's good for the people don't eat meat. Vegetarian. It's really good, yummy and quickly and simple. Alright, follow me in Naly Kitchen. Like and subscribe for me. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.